Welcome back everyone. Today we're taking a look at our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT with a 3.6-liter V6. Let's take a look inside. Taking a look at the driver door panel, you can see windows, lock, and mirrors, as well as your back window opener there. So you get a lot of storage space in the door panel with a cup holder in there too. On the seat, you have your 8-way power seat equipped with nice black leather, and your center armrest right there. Left-hand side of the steering column, you have your automatic light controls, as well as your dimmer switch and dome light controls there as well. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your multimedia, your voice recognition, as well as answer and hang up, as well as your directional pad for your infotainment, your instrumentation gauge here. You go through scroll with the buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, kind of making miles an hour. Kilometers. You can change what you want to do through it here as well. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the back, you have your multimedia controls. Moving to the infotainment here, you have your AM, FM, satellite, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary, as well as your different media sources here. You can go through, you have your disc and your HDD as well. As we go to the menu, you can go to your nav setup, so you can set up your navigation. So you can go to the navigation, go to the map. So as you can see, you can go through the map and you do get your navigation, which is a nice feature as well. Right below that, you have your dual climate control with your heated seats for your driver and passenger, and your heated steering wheel. You also do have your rear locking buttons, and you can change the heat nice down here. You have your sync and your auto air as well. You have your eco mode, your forward flashes with your 115-volt power, and your traction control buttons. Down here you have a nice little storage, and below here you have 12 volts that does hide away nicely. As well as you do your cup holders here, a little bit more storage down here. You also get more storage below here with the cargo net. And moving up to the roof here, you get your door openers, so you can open the doors. Also your rear hatch you can open, as well as you can turn off or on. So as we open up the door here, it opens up nice and easily, and you can close it nice and easily as well. Taking a look through them, you get your 17-inch Dodge alloy, your Michelin all-season tires. I do have a ton of trucks remaining. Taking a look at the back of the Dodge Grand Caravan. The Grand Caravan logo, as well as the GT logo. And we'll open up the rear hatch here. You have your seats that those can stow away nice and easily. So as you follow the directions, you pull, and then you pull this back. It pulls down nice and easily there. Give you a little bit extra cargo space. And you have the center, the captain chairs, which is a nice feature as well. You can close down the hatch by pushing the button there. You have your automatic lift gate. As well as on your key, you do have your automatic start-stop. As you lock the car. The Dodge Grand Caravan will start nice and easy. As well as if you unlock, you do have your door controls here that open up nice and easily as well. Taking a look at the rear seat, you can pull the seats down nice and flat. You have your all-weather mats in the back here as well. And you do get your armrests that do fold down for a little bit extra comfort. Nice and easy to get into the back through the middle here. You do have a lot of leg room in the back as well. On the door panel, you have your light controls as well as your heated seat settings for your rear passengers. You also can fold these seats down flat, and you also do get some storage under here as well. To close the door, you hit the button, closes up nice and easily. Thank you for watching this quick overview of our Dodge Grand Caravan GT 2018. If you have any more questions about this caravan, or would like to take this vehicle for a drive, go to parkmazda.ca. By the time you can book this vehicle for a test drive and find out all the information with the qualified test drive, you get a $25 diesel gift card. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day.